Hi guys, a very good morning. Mamuka say, Mamuka say, Mamuka say. So I'm back so that we talk about this amazing thing. So machaina vakutoimba sungura in this nation of Zimbabwe, and I hope kuti zvichangogumira pakuimba chete, and they will not extend it to the complete annexation of the nation of Zimbabwe, because honestly guys, zvakuitwa zvacho machaina are not ready to go back anytime soon. Regani kokunzwisai kambokanaka from the Chinese, and you give me the comments in the comment section. So I don't know what happened. My network just dropped, but I wanted you to listen to this song. Amen. Zimbabwe muno. So amen. Kuti ndinokwanisa kuiwana futi that song, but I had tried to show you this song, but my network is weak and I cannot share it on the screen. But it's a beautiful song. Let me try to use another method to play it, because that is a very beautiful song which I need you to hear. Okay, let me use another method to share with you guys. Please bear with me. I hope I will be able to just play it. Okay. Ainambokura zvayo PC andinayo, but I think you can get something from it. So guys, I don't know if you were able to hear, but this is these are the lyrics of the song Hanzi Ndinaye Wangu Muzezuru, and it's a sungura reggae song. So but it's a beautiful song. I don't see anything wrong with the Chinese actually coming here to Zimbabwe to sing, just being happy with other people. And we don't need to politicize everything. That is my view. And I don't know what you think about this, but I've given you my view. So let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts. Team Zimbabwe, thank you very much.